The example of Kenya. Kenya is such a very good example when it comes to mobile money transactions and the speed at which the Kenyan economy has grown because of it. In fact, I think the Okada people in Kenya they don't even use cash. And because of M-Pesa and what we saw, the revolution with Safaricom many years ago, they were able to put that together. But as we close this interview, let's talk about cross-border payments in Africa, especially now with African Continental Free Trade Area. We now know that we have a continent of 1.3 billion people, and that is trade. How do we ensure that cross-border payment? I also do know that after the African Continental Free Trade Area came up with PAPs, what they call PAPs. Was it last year or so? Yeah. But how do we how do we encourage cross-border transactions, cross-border trade? Bearing in mind that as Africans, we do not even trade with ourselves enough. We trade with the rest of the world and ourselves.
Okay, just to clear the air first, I keep hearing people say payment in Africa is 1% built. That is very wrong. You have no idea what they are saying when they say that. So basically, it's built. We have infra, crazy infra. There is Flutterwave, there's SpaceTech, there's MFS Africa. There is a lot of infra out there. But it's about using the infra. It's about using pretty much utilities on the infra, right? So to promote cross-border payments in Africa, we just have to build on. When we launched Payday, we launched in 11 countries. So Ghana, Kenya, Rwanda. That's how I know about these corridors. And we're planning to relaunch in those corridors as well. So we already have the infra built, and they're still building it. You have to give it to the OGs. They've done this work, all the intense work connected to the banks, mobile money wallets, etc., in the millions. And all we just need to do now is basically like build more paydays, basically let people send money across border, send to Nigeria, to Kenya, to Ghana, to Rwanda, etc. So it's already there. It's just a matter of time to just build it out and roll it out and scale it.